In this video, I will show you how to add AI chatbot to Wix website. In order to do that, head over first and then log in to your actual website. From in there in the dashboard, click on this app, click on this app market right here in order to see the Wix app market. From in there, this will load your app market and then just click on the search bar right here and then just type in here chatbot. You should be able to see in here this AI chatbot, so head over and click on this one. And then once you have done that, this will load and it will show you the install button right here. So you can see right here that this app actually only supports it if you have a premium domain. So you can head over and upgrade your site first in order to add this to your site. Alternatively, you can also head back to your menu or your dashboard and then go right here to your home. Then from in there, head over and search for Bot Penguin on a new tab. Click on this free AI chatbot per website, and then this should show you the AI chatbot that you can do. So head over and then log in or sign up if you have already done it. From in there, click on this create new bot, and then for this one, let's head over and choose in here customer support. And then for the platform, you can choose web platforms for your website. And then as you can see, bot has been created successfully. So you can just head over and then edit in here your chat flow. But once you're done, you can head over and then just edit it out. And then for this one, just head over and then do it. Then after that, click on this install once you're done with everything. And in here you can see this Wix option. So click on this Wix right here. Click on this get chatbot script code. And then click on copy right here. And then head back right here to your Wix. From in there, head over to the settings. So click on settings right here. And then from in there, you can see in here these options. From in there, to your website settings. And then first make sure that your site is published. Once you're done with that, click on home right here again. And then from in there, click on this edit site option. From in there, click on this plus icon in order to add an element right here. Now, from this element option, you can head over and add in here page code and log. Now for this one, head over and click on this search right here and search in here for code. Now for this right here, just head over and add in here embed. And then in here you can see the custom element. Click on this plus right here in order to add it to your site. Now we have copied something earlier, so click on this choose source option right here. And then add in here the URL that we have copied. Here it is. Click on update right here. And then from in there, just wait for this to actually load in order to set the attributes. And then from in there, just make this smaller. And then it will actually not appear like this. So head over and click on this publish option in order to publish your website. So that's all there is today. Thank you for watching.